Stop by and take a look at the 2019 G80. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, one-touch windows, 4. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.